I think the problem stems from the fact that a number of shallow gas producers in particular are in a negative cash flow situation, and we've seen a few bankruptcies in the past year, and a number of them are barely hanging on. So they simply don't have the cash, in some cases, I think, to pay those property tax bills. And if those businesses go under, then there's no revenue stream for linear taxation going to those municipalities, and in the worst case scenario, their liabilities for remediating their wells ends up falling back to the Orphan Well Association and potentially to the Alberta Crown. So all of that concerns us. So the best solution is, I mean, you can't wring money from a stone. If you're talking about small dry gas producers that are cash negative right now and that have no other assets to speak of. I mean, obviously, the rural municipalities, all of the municipalities have recourse under law, under the Municipal Government Act, to take action against people with outstanding tax liability. Happens all the time. But really, many of these companies, there's nothing to go after in terms of assets. So the best solution, in our view, is to create a future for those companies that are struggling, which is why we appointed an Associate Minister for Natural Gas, Dale Nally, who's done fantastic work in coming to an agreement with those companies, up, mid, and downstream, to get new rules on the Nova Gas pipeline system that has helped to more than double the Alberta gas price, the AECO price. So that has helped to rejuvenate a number of those companies. As well, our government's exemption from the curtailment production caps of conventional oil has resulted in a small boom in new drilling and exploration activity. I see the president of the Canadian Association of Oilfield Drillers and Contractors nodding behind you. So we've got more jobs being created in the field, and that will also help to bring some of that revenue back. So again, we will certainly work with the municipalities. Sorry for the long answer. We'll work with the municipalities to address this. They've got the legal ability to take action, but we need to get, the bottom line is we need to get those companies in a positive cash flow so they can pay their tax bills.